Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what are visible signs of termites? Termites can cause structural damage to your home or your property. So how do you know if you have a termite issue? One sign is mud tubes. Now you might notice these along the slab or expansion joints. These are actually tunnels that termites use to protect themselves while they're traveling from their nest to your structure. Another common sign is little piles of frass. Now they might look like wood pellets or a little bit of sawdust. These are actually termite droppings. As the termites tunnel and chew through the wood, they kick out this frass. This is most commonly seen with drywood termites. You might notice weak wooden floors or hollowed and damaged wood. As termites chew on the wood, they leave behind these tunnels that they use to run undetected around the home, causing extensive damage. You might be seeing swarmers. These are reproductive termites that swarm in search of establishing a new nest. Once they find a spot, they shed their wings. So if you see large piles of wings around window sills or entry points around your home, you could have termites moving in. So if you're seeing any of these signs, then you'll want to treat for termites with high-quality pesticides to get control of your termite problem fast. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. They swarm in areas to establish a new nest. Okay, you might be seeing swarmers. These are reproductive termites that swarm in search of establishing a new nest. It's so easy to say, but it's so hard to say.